In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get the AUG in Bloodstrike. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be explaining all of the main ways in which you can unlock the AUG or AUG. For you to get it as a rifle in Bloodstrike, all that you have to do is go over to your weapon and loadout page, and in here, I recommend tapping on loadout. Now find any suitable loadout, tap on the option to switch your weapons, and on the first tab, which should be selected by default on the rifles, you just have to go into the locked ones. Assuming that you don't have the AUG, it is going to be close to the bottom. So as you can see for me, it is the second one from the bottom. So just tap on the locked icon for the AUG and you will see the unlock option. Now you see the three main methods of getting it. So the first one is going to be by using a trial card. This is a currency that you can get through various different means, primarily the ranked shop and the strike pass, and it allows you to use the AUG alongside all of its attachments. So you just have to redeem one of these trial cards and you will be able to use it on a special loadout that you see at the top. Now, you have the option to unlock it permanently, so in the middle, you will see the unlock condition. For you to unlock the AUG, you just have to perform 50 kills with any rifle from 50 miles away. So, use a rifle of your preference, try to be very far away from your enemies, try to get a good line of sight, and then you just have to kill an enemy over and over again, 50 times in total, and this will actually unlock the AUG. Once it is unlocked, you can just use it right away, so you go to your loadout page and you will be able to equip it. The last option available is to spend 1,000 noble points to unlock. There are various ways to acquire these noble points. You can get them from your daily first win, you can get them from the shop, and the strike pass, and by getting 1,000 of these noble points, you will be able to redeem them to unlock the AUG. Afterwards, you just have to go over to your loadout, tap on the AUG, so pretend this AK-47 was the AUG, and then you just have to tap equip. I hope I was able to help you on how to get AUG in Bloodstrike. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.